At the office. Going to use this thing to start my organization process. A lot of work to do. So far I got my shipping, priority shipping boxes right here, flat rate, USPS. Right here are clothes that I already have listed, and yeah, I'm just kind of compartmentalizing everything, and got accessories up there, hats up there. I got white jeans up here. I cover them in plastic bags so they don't get dusty. So I got this drawer, dresser, drawer, whatever you want to call it. And what I'm going to do with it is, got little stuff in it, I don't know. What I'm going to do with it is put these clothes in there. Alright, I'm making progress. I got all the striped shirts right here. Plaid shirts, striped, miscellaneous. Jeans, miscellaneous pants, jeans. What else? All uniform pants, and uniform shirts, and that's all I have organized so far. So the rain stopped, and I'm going to head home before it starts back up again. But in the meantime, look, I reorganized the jeans. I put like all the blue jeans together, all the blacks together. Then I also put like all sweatpants together. Here's swim trunks, and then like gray pants together. And yeah, so I got it all organized. I'm not exactly all organized because I have all this to put away. All of that. Yeah, it's a lot.